Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel.
In this video, I will show you how to do a dragon eye. First thing first, we are going to apply a black painting gel nail polish. Then, with a liner, we are going to make sure that we have color under the cuticle also. Now we are going to dry for 60 seconds or 2 minutes. And we are coming with the second layer of black gel polish. Again, we have to dry for 60 seconds or 2 minutes. And now, with a liner, I'm going to draw the dragon eye, and I'm using a silver cat eye gel polish. If you don't have silver, you can use green, red, or whatever. You may do it as small as you want or as big as you want. So there is no limit. And don't be bad to me, it's my first time when I'm doing voiceovers, so please don't be bad. Thank you. I know my English is bad, but I think that you will understand what you have to do. So, when we are ready with the gel polish, we are going to play with our magnetic tool as we want. And when you think that you have the perfect design, you can go to dry for 2 minutes. Now we are going back to the liner. We take the liner, a little bit of black painting gel, and we are just doing a line, but in the middle you have to do it a little bit bigger. When you like the shape of the eye and you think that is perfect for you, you may dry for 60 seconds or 2 minutes. It depends on your lamp. Now I'm applying a thin layer of top coat. We are going to dry for 60 seconds or 2 minutes. And here I'm getting ready the bubbles. So there I have soap and water, and that's it. Now again I'm coming with a top coat, but only on the black gel polish, not on the dragon eye. So you have to be a little bit careful. So don't rush, take your time. Now we are coming with the bubbles. You can put wherever you want and as much as you want. Now you can dry for 60 seconds or 2 minutes. And voila, very easy. And I'm using metallic gold with the liner. I'm just doing the contour of the dragon eye. This step I did it just because I wanted to be something more shiny. But you may also let it simple, just with the silver cat eye gel polish. But if you are going to do this step too, don't forget you have to come with some top coat, exactly like I'm doing right now, but only after you've dried the metallic gold gel painting. Now again you have to dry for 60 seconds or 2 minutes. The final touch, nail file. And don't forget the cuticles, oil cuticle. And voila! This is the final look. Yeah, so thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye! And it will help me a lot on like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Bye!